Hello everyone, today we're unboxing our latest Chauvin Arnoux PEL113, a portable 3-phase power and energy logger, perfect for measuring and optimising energy consumption. So let's dive right in. First, let's open the packaging. As always, Chauvin Arnoux ensures the products are well protected for shipping. Inside, everything is neatly packed, and here's what you get. The PEL113 itself is compact, lightweight and rugged, perfect for on-site measurements on single-phase and 3-phase installations. So moving on to the accessories, you'll find a set of 3 Rogowski flexi current sensors. These are what you'll use to measure current on your circuits, and all you'll need to do is insert each Rogowski coil into the top of your PEL, which is easy to do and convenient. Next up, you'll find 4 voltage measurement cables and alligator clips for connecting to the circuit safely. You'll also find a set of identification inserts and rings, a simple but super useful addition, colour-coded rings, which help you keep track of your connections, which is easier and less prone to human error. You also have the USB cable for data transfer and remote access. Another thing that comes with the PEL113 Contractors kit is a voltage adapter. The voltage adapter is designed to attach on top of your PEL and plug into the bottom, and once you're connected to an installation, the voltage leads will then power the adapter, which then powers the PEL, meaning no mains lead is required. We also have magnet probes, which is an alternative way to attach onto the installation with the voltage leads. As you can see, they'll clip nice and easily onto your lead, just like that. And finally, we've got the USB SD card adapter and also a quick start guide and full user manual, always handy for setup and troubleshooting. So here's the complete kit, the Chauvin Arnoux PEL113, ready to be used right out of the box. Whether you're tracking energy efficiency or diagnosing power issues, this data logger has you covered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more Chauvin Arnoux product reviews and guides.